So the thing is actually, we work for the new startups with some schemes which provide subsidies, and also we help the existing entrepreneurs. So existing entrepreneurs, they face a lot of problems day to day their activities. You know, like when they go for marketing, when they go for bidding, or when they go for export import. So wherever they go, wherever the problem comes, they come to us and we try to solve the issues and make their business in a smooth way. So the idea is, I make this opportunity to convey that we are doing these kind of activities. If for you at any point of time, or at least you probably your relatives or your any known person, they need such kind of help from MSMEs, you can very well approach. We are ready to help. This particular program is the skill development program. Actually, with the JPA solution, we are more than I think 5 years.
5 years.
More than 5 years we are associated. We started the program in cloud computing and like big data analytics and a lot of activities like server administrations and web design development, mobile applications. So we done lot of activities and many people are placed. I mean, in a big MNCs. Apart from that, many people started their own venture also. So what we do is, in fact, after your completion, if you come to us, then if you are ready to start your own, venture, we are ready to help, like from financial assistance to marketing assistance, and also technology upgradation, skill upgradation. So these activities we are doing from MSMEs, and most of the programs are free of cost. Actually, this program is all new, and we don't get financial sanction immediately. Probably after 2 to 3 years, when the technology known to everyone, then the government will give sanction to organize this program with less cost or something like that. So what we do is we are in touch with JPA, and whatever the new technology comes, immediately we will plan. We bring the resource person like sir, who will be expert in that particular field for several years, and we organize this program, and most of the programs are successful, and at the end of the day we get a very good feedback. So I just wanted to share few words because we are all mostly related to the technical, but I just want to take this opportunity to convey that we are doing these activities in various ways. If you go and visit our website msmedhna.gov. You can come to know many activities whatever we do. And if you find, and you can in fact you can associate with us and our work also. If you are a good consultant in particular field, and if you really want to do something to the society or something, you want to do kind of activity other than your normal work, you are associated. I mean, you are welcome, and we can try to utilize your experts also in our things.
So financial assistance, I approached actually. Say this BAC or something you have to approach.
Actually, financial, there are government of schemes. There are 4 kind of financial schemes are there. One is PMEGP, Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. This scheme maximum 25 lakhs will be given. That is through district industry tender of the particular district. And another scheme is called NEED scheme, which gives maximum 1 crore. Okay, maximum 1 crore. That is also through district industry center of the particular district where you belongs. Then comes credit guarantee funded trust scheme, where you can avail maximum 1 crore without any collateral security. Without any collateral security, government is ready to provide the collateral signature on behalf of you actually. So this is one scheme available, and it will be implemented through banks. Credit Guarantee Fund Trust scheme. It is not the bank scheme, it is the Government of India scheme, but implemented through bank. And the recent scheme Mudra. So Mudra scheme recently it is announced, and in this scheme also it's a government of scheme which will be implemented through banks. And these all 4 schemes have the subsidies in different ratios. For example, if you take PMEGP, if you avail 10 lakh loan, you need to pay only 7.5 lakhs. You no need to pay 2.5 lakhs. So there is a subsidy. Like that, if you avail subsidy and if you purchase some machinery, okay, you take the loan and if you purchase some machinery, then there will be subsidy for 15% in purchasing the machinery. For example, if you are purchasing a machinery for 1 lakh, then you will get a 15,000 from Government of India side. So like that, even if you go for ISO certification, you have a subsidy. Like if you spend some 1 lakh for getting ISO certification, then you will get 75,000 back. And product certification also. If we go for the standard, Indian standards, international standards, like BAS, Bureau of Indian Standards, or any other standards, then you will get a 70% of the amount which you are incurring for the this thing.
So any project report you have to submit?
Exactly. See, whenever you avail some loan, when you approach a bank, you just think that you approach, nobody will entertain. So if you think that I have an idea that I want to make a product, means how do you make it into the paper? How will documentation? It should be in a tangible document. Like it should. If you are identify a product, what is the market potential of the particular product? Okay, what is the scope for the product? And what are the plant and machinery required for making the particular product? What are the raw materials are required for making the product? And for example, per month or per quarter, how much amount you need to run the unit with this raw material and the machinery, like power consumption and other all those things. So these all you have to make it and make a Pakka plan, and you have to give us a project report to the bank. Then the bankers will be they will be convinced that you are already prepared and you have already taken some steps to start the enterprise. And in fact, you should give the financial flow also. Like if I am running this unit for 3 months, how much profit I will get? And if I take a loan of 10 lakhs from the bank, then how much profit I will get? For example, 10 lakh, if I need to pay 20,000 as EMI, so my profit is 50,000, then it is financially feasible, financially feasible. So 50,000 per profit, 20,000 you are giving back as a EMI, 30,000 is the profit. We have prescribed for it. Definitely, I will mail to Sir, Jewel Sir, and he will provide whomever want, you can take one copy.
So the scheme details are available in the MSME
website. In the MSME website, you can all schemes details are available in the software format, and probably some technical words which may not if you are not knowing, you can approach us, and I just give my mail ID. In the YouTube, I uploaded some of my speech related to industries. If you are interested, you can see also. In YouTube, if you search S. Sadish Kumar, MSME Chennai, you can see some of the videos where for startups, for existing industries, I have given some speech, and from that also you can get some.
Can you meet me?
Yeah, definitely, why not? I am not the CMRP. I am just a government official. I am a government official.
Problem is no election time.
That is no problem.
Even we can meet PM, CM in the stages every day. At least PM candidate.
So,
what time you will be there?
No, I will be there in the office from 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock. So you can.
India office.
India.
In the code of conduct also outside.
No, not like that. See, it's not that if election is going, you should not collapse. No, see, it's not like that. See, you are coming for your career development, isn't it? You are running. If up to code of conduct, no industry should run means, then from where the income will come? Nothing of that kind. Code of conduct is if you are coming with something and giving me, then only problem. But you are coming and taking something from me, like information, technical information. Okay. So that's no problem.
So you will draft all the assist me in all the project.
No, actually, first you have to identify the activity what you are going to do. First
Idea.
See, for example, if you come and ask me, sir, I am going.
We are not like that.
Hmm.
We have the idea.
Exactly.
But how we have to frame that?
That is what. If you come with the idea, then we can nurture it from there. How we can convert the idea into reality. Okay, how you can, for example, if your idea is related to something like manufacturing sector, then how
It's
the
service
product?
sector.
Huh?
It's
No, that's
service
what. If it is in a service sector, how this service can be taken? What are the target groups to take this service? This all we can identify, and this target group wherever they will be available, like in international market, not only in domestic market. Now business is international, so international markets wherever the scope is there for you. So these are information we can provide. So thanks. I am sorry for disturbing
Central
your class.
government, state government, yes.
Central government.
Central government. Ours is pure central government. Comes under Ministry of MSME. Our minister is Sri Kalraj Mishra. He is the minister, Union Cabinet Minister. Ours is a cabinet rank.
But DIC is state government.
DAC is a state government. Comes under government of Tamil Nadu.
No, if you vouch for it, actually the project or the DIC will release the
No, actually, DAC is implementing central government scheme only. So PMEGP scheme is the fund given by central government to state government, and the state government will distribute this money through all district industry centers. So every month there will be a meeting which conduct board of members, like general manager from DIC, from assistant director or deputy director from our office, two bankers, okay, one industry association, like that 6 members will be there. And you have to submit the project to the 6 members, then they should convince. And if the committee is convinced, then they will sanction the project.
Funds will be released
Through bank. Through bank. Yes, that see, every bank is given a target to implement the PMHGP schemes. Okay, so with respect to your area, for example, you are coming from Velachippi, means then there will be lead district manager. Lead district manager will be to total Chennai, he will be allotting the bank's target on PMHGP schemes. So for example, you are come Velacheri, and they, for example, in Velacheri, for SBA they will see SBA how many target, 8 target, in that how many completed, 3 completed. So they will give other target to them. So like that, depending upon the preference, they will give the, but only nationalized bank, not private banks. Only nationalist banks, these schemes will be, loan will be given to nationalist banks. Sorry for taking your time. We'll see in another occasion. Thank you very much. Anything you please mail me to here this mail ID, or you can contact me on phone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.